Hey guys, Northwoods Arsenal here, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Marlin Model 27S Takedown Rifle. This was a 3220. This specific one is 3220 pump action, kind of like the Winchester 1890 22 rifles. These ones were made in a couple different calibers, 2520, 3220, and I believe 25 rimfire. So the nice thing about this takedown rifle is it's got this little knob here. You can take and turn that all the way off. Also make sure you have this at half cock so you can actually take it apart. So we have our round knob off, and then we're gonna take this little spinning lever here and spin that off all the way. And once we have that out of the way, you can finally take apart your rifle and put it in your backpack or however you'd like to store it. These were made from, I believe, the the very, very early 1910s, and I believe they made about up until the end of the 1930s, 1938, 1939, something like that. So this is a very new, quote-unquote, production of these. And here we are, right back to put together. So this takes 6 rounds of 3220. Here we got some right here. And you load it by lifting up your tube here. Your sheath on your tube, I don't know what it's really called, and you just throw 6 of them in there like that. You make sure the bottom of it, your rim, is lined up with that hole there so it actually slides in, and you know your flow when you see the tip of the bullet popping up here. And here you go, we're ready to fire. Love that Slamfire feature. You gotta love it. It's classic. Alright, this time I'm gonna demonstrate how you take live rounds out of your gun if you're done shooting. See this little screw looking thing here? So you got a deer out there. Took down my deer. But you chambered another one. You can't work it if you got it around in the chamber. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your finger and you're gonna pull this screw back, and then you can eject them all easily. And you're back on safe again, and you can go out and get your deer or do whatever. A little interesting feature on this one. I think it used to be a bigger knob on here because I can see the finish is a little more worn down right here. Got a little target out there about a few inches wide at 107 yards according to my rangefinder, so we'll see if we can tag that up a couple times. We've been trying to. Try it again. And that was the Marlin Model 27S Takedown Rifle. Hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at it with me. And if you want to see more, like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how you liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.